Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video we are going to a new lesson, that is electricity. So electricity is the first chapter of physics. Okay, so in this chapter, before going to it, so first inventors. We have three inventors, Thales and Franklin and Michael Faraday. These are the three inventors who have tried and invented electricity. So what is electricity? So we'll learn. So source of energy is called as electricity. So without electricity, if you think without electricity the life is not there, yes or not? Because everything in a modern world runs with electricity. So what is the definition? So first point is this, and second point is the flow of electric current in a material is called as electricity. Okay, electricity. So material, maybe it's a conductor or wires, or maybe it's an any appliances, etc. Right? So now we are also, you know that electric current is one of the term. Okay, what is electric current? So this today's topic is only dealing with this only, the electric current. So in our textbook, that is only our first topic, that is electric current. Okay, so electric current is our topic. So the definition is universal definition: flow of electric charges per unit time is called electric current. Very easy definition. So you can also write like this also: rate of flow of electric charges is called the same. Okay, so don't confuse. If they give in a board exam this, that is also electric current. Okay, so what is the formula and what are its units? So let's learn. So electric current is denoted by Q, capital Q, and time is rate. Also rate means time, and here also you will take by time. So by time multi is equal to I. I is electric current symbol. Okay, or denotation will denote with I. Okay, so you know that electric current has coulomb, and seconds SI unit is, so times SI unit is second. So the SI unit of electric current will be coulomb second inverse, or it is also called as ampere. Actually the SI unit, original SI unit is coulomb per second inverse. Okay, so but Ampere is a scientist, to give him a tribute, they have kept a SI unit of electric current as ampere. Okay, the scientist name is Ampere. Okay, so we have many problems in this. So I have got books, I have got a book, so let's do some problems. Before going to the problems part, the main they'll ask is in board exam, what is 1 ampere called? So 1 ampere means the flow of 1 coulomb of charge. C means coulomb. Okay, in a unit second, or unit means 1, is called as 1 ampere of charge is flowing. Okay, means like 1A is equal to 1C by 1S. Okay, small s, this is not capital S. Capital S means distance. Okay, displacement. Okay, displacement. Okay, now this is a major question what they'll ask. Okay, in board examination. So now let's do some questions. So the formula should be written like this. Okay, write the formula. So let's get started. So the first problem they are asking here is, so what is the name is the physical quantity Coulomb by second is called. So Coulomb by second, so it's called as Coulomb by second. So Coulomb by second, what is the physical quantity is called? Ampere. Okay, that is first question what you have. Next one, what is flow of charge called? Flow of charge is called as electric current. Next one, which of the following equation shows the current relationship between electric units? So 1 ampere by 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb by second, or 1 coulomb is equal to 1 ampere by second. So let's see. So 1A equal to 1C by 1S, or 1C equal to 1A by 1S. Okay, they're asking electrical units. Okay, so this is correct. Let's check this also. Is it this also correct? So if you send this to this side, 1C is equal to 1A into 1S, means 1A into 1S is 1 coulomb. Okay, 1 coulomb is called as 1 ampere into 1 second. So this is the wrong. Okay, this is correct. Right? A flow of dash for this happens, there must be dash circuit. The flow of electric current, for this to happen, there must be a electric circuit. Okay, that is a question for that thing. So now coming to word problems. What is an electric current? What makes an electric current flow in an wire? Okay, so electric current, what is an electric current? The definition is it. Okay, the rate of flow of electric charge per unit time is called as electric current. So what makes electric current to flow? The electric charges makes the current to flow. So define the unit of electric current, or define ampere. So I don't know what is ampere. Ampere means coulomb by second. Okay, next one. Okay, write down the formula which relates electric current time electric charge. Okay, that is I is equal to Q by T. Okay, you can see it now. I is equal to Q by T. That question is there. Next one. A radio draws a current of 0.36 ampere for 15 minutes. Sorry. Calculate the amount of electric charges that flow through the circuit. So very easy and very important too yet. So they have given that I is equal to 0.36 ampere. Okay, and Q you should find, and T is given as 15 minutes. So let's start at the formula. So I is equal to Q by T. So I is, you know that 0.636, Q by T is 15 minutes. So we'll make it Q is equal to 0.3 into 15. So 36 by 100 into 15. So 3, 20, 10, 118, and 18 threes are 4, 2, 5, 54, 5.4, 5.4 coulombs. You'll write it. Everything is correct. So the invigilator will check, or the corrector will check everything, and he'll just round up the question and keep 0 marks. Why? Because the SI unit of time is seconds, so you should convert it into the seconds. So that is your mistake. So let's convert into seconds. 15 into 60 seconds equal to 15, 6, 33, 6, 900 seconds. So this is correct way. Okay. Now I is equal to Q by T. Okay, Q is equal to I into T. So Q is given as 0.3 into 900. So 36 by 100 into 9. So the zeros will get cancelled. So 36 into 9. 27 plus 5. So 32. 32. So 324 coulombs. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, right? You should not forget to convert the minutes into seconds. Okay, that's very important. Now next word problem. Yeah, the DP cross and RAM is 12 volts. How many joules? Sorry, this is not your question. This is not this question. So if the charge on an electron is 1.6 into 10 power 19 coulombs, how many electrons should pass through a conductor in 1 second to constitute 1 ampere of current? Okay, this is a very important question. So they have given that how many electrons will passes through a conductor in 1 second to constitute 1 ampere of current. Okay, so this is a very tricky question. So I am reading now only, so I have to understood it. So maybe I'll tell in the tomorrow's class, so tomorrow or next video. So I'll just learn it. So this question I'll tell. A current of 4 ampere flows around an electric circuit of 10 seconds. How much charge flows past a point in circuit in this time? So they are asking charge. Okay, Q they are asking. They have given that Q they are asking, and they have given that electric current is equal to 4 ampere and T is equal to 10 seconds. Okay, Q is equal to IT, you know that. So 4 into 10 is equal to 40 coulombs. So I don't know that question, that which I'm reading now only. So I'll understand it and I'll tell you in the tomorrow session. So next one. If 20 coulombs of charge passes a point in a circuit in 1 second, what is the current is flowing? Very easy. So I is equal to Q by T. So Q is given as 20 coulombs. Okay, 20 coulombs. So 20 coulombs, and T is given as 1 second. So I is equal to 20 by 1, that is equal to 20 ampere. Okay, should do everything. But if you're given in 1 mark, you just write the answer. Okay, if they're given in 3 marks or 5 marks, you should write everything. Okay, next one. Still there is any problems what we have. So this is today's video.